Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to instantly respawn in Minecraft using a simple command perfect for when you're stuck, lost, or just want to teleport back home. Let's get started. First, make sure cheats are enabled in your world. If you're in a new world, turn the cheats on when creating it. If you're already in a world, pause the game and click Open to LAN, then toggle cheats on and click Start LAN World. This will allow you to use the /kill command. Now press T to open the chat bar and type the following command: /kill. Then press enter. Your character will instantly die and you'll be taken to your respawn point, usually your bed or the world spawn location. Before using /kill, you can set your spawn point by sleeping in a bed. That way, when you respawn, you'll return to that exact bed location. Super useful for survival mode. To set it manually with cheats, use /spawnpoint. This sets your current location as your new respawn point. And that's it. Now you know how to instantly respawn in Minecraft using the /kill command and how to set a safe respawn point. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Minecraft tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.